In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to put the right people on the right cards so everyone understands what they're responsible for. Start by heading to your Trello boards page and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace. This is your hub where all your boards live. If you work across multiple teams, double check you're in the workspace that contains the board you want. That small check avoids assigning a task in the wrong place. Next, open the board where the task lives. Boards are organized into lists, such as to do, in progress, and done, and each card is a single task or work item. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right board and list, especially if you have similarly named projects. Clean structure up front makes assignments clearer for everyone. Now, click into the specific card you want to assign. The card is the container for all the details: description, attachments, comments, and, importantly, the people doing the work. If you already see avatars on the front of the card, that means someone's assigned. We'll confirm and adjust inside the card. Inside the card, find the Members option on the right side. It's usually under the Add to Card section. Click it to open the assignment panel. This is the central place to add or remove people. A quick tip: many Trello setups also support the keyboard shortcut M to open the Members picker while a card is selected, which speeds things up once you get the hang of it. Use the search bar to type the name of the person you want to assign. Trello shows results from the board's existing members. Click the person's name to add them to the card. You'll see their avatar appear immediately on the card, confirming they're assigned. You can add multiple people if a task requires collaboration. Trello allows more than one assignee. If someone doesn't appear in the results, it usually means they're not a member of the board yet. In that case, they'll need to be added to the board before you can assign them to the card. Permissions and workspace settings can also affect who's visible, so coordinate with your board admin if needed. Once assigned, close the card and look for the avatar on the front of the card to confirm. Trello will notify the assigned members so they're aware of the task. If you need to unassign someone, reopen the members panel and click their name again to remove them. That's all there is to it. You've successfully assigned a task on Trello, keeping ownership clear and your workflow moving smoothly.